Yeah, I knew it was about to come. I got nominated by Pastor Alex Osorio in Ottawa, and I am taking up this challenge. So here I am. I got the proof. I have my little list of people that I don't want to forget because I have a lot of people there. While this gets a bit colder, ALS, it's a great organization. It's a great worthy cause to give to. I think this is a great way to do this. Have fun during the summer and nominate friends and bring them in on it also. So I want to nominate, obviously, I want to nominate my kids. I'm going to nominate Benoit. I'm going to nominate Mode. Ha ha ha. I'm going to nominate Trisha. Ha ha. And we're gonna have a great time. So, and I have other pastor friends that I want to nominate. Also, you thought you were gonna get away with this, but I'm nominating Pastor Gabriel Jean Rose. You're called out. I'm calling Pastor Gaetan Saint-Hilaire. You're called out, buddy. And I'm calling my two pastor friends, the Brothers of Thunder, Belchior and Balthazar. So, guys, don't forget. Please make the donation. People said they're gonna make it, and they don't make it, but it's only $10, guys. Let's just send it and be a blessing. Let's pay it forward. Okay, so girls, this looks really cold. You ready to do it for me? Okay. Woo! Here comes, here comes, here comes.
You ready?
All right, here goes. It's done. Woo-hoo! All right, it's your turn, guys. Don't forget it. Check 24 hours. Bye-bye.